We're in the Talis Coffee here in Shibuya. I stopped because I noticed they're covering the trees. Ang purpose kayo nito? Malakas ng hangin. So we'll be crossing parang pedestrian here. Medyo nakakatakot din kung if you're not really kasi konti lang yung wawaba dito eh. Medyo marumi yung contrast dun sa taas. I don't know bakit hindi na mini-maintain. Then may mga graffiti here. So sabi na bawal na mahilig din sa pag-vandalize yung mga this also kung gabi hindi nakakatakot din mag-cross dito, but sa taas so very naman organized, hindi na mini-maintain. Akyat tayo dito. This is the shortcut kasi going to our Airbnb. Akyat. Still in Shibuya. Ayan. Yan na. Ganun kalalim niya. Many foot dyan. Going here. Crossing. Dental clinic. Turning left. Doon sa unahan. Itong oras slightly or slowly nagiging malamig na. And kaya Pinoy tayo eh, hindi sanay sa malamig. So I still use yung thermal because of yung cold weather. Okay, we'll be turning left here. I think this one. Turning left. Okay. We're walking back to our Airbnb. It's just 10 to 12 minutes walk doon sa Shibuya crossing if you're a fast walker. Average 15 to 18 siguro. Ayan. We'll be staying for 2 more nights. So by that time we're so familiar with the environment here in Shibuya. Meron pa lang Lawson dito. Ikakot pa ako ng mga bilihin from there's a Lawson here. I think this is the nearest Lawson sa Airbnb. Ito, parang school. Oof.